Welcome and welcome back to Ratchet Rated TV. I'm your host, Jada for Real, and I've got another Ratchet Karen video ready for you. Let's go.
Welcome aboard the Karma Express. We're delivering a special gift of justice to the arrogant. And yes, even to the Karens. Stay calm. Wow TV is about to start right now. The fastest way to cool down those hot-headed rebels.
She's
Getting ready to take off. If you mind getting off my car.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
yeah,
Oh
she's
my
just taking
God.
her some pictures. You sitting on his
Oh,
car.
my God, yeah.
What's going on with her? Ooh, wee. Ostrich?
The number one survival rule when encountering Big Bird.
Our Big
Don't
Bird.
mess with it.
Leave Big Bird alone.
Come on. How you doing?
You are dark, you are invisible. What the is your problem?
This guy's about to show you the most effective way to deal with unreasonable ladies.
What do you want? It's my day, because I don't feel like it. You can go
Why
around
they
the
always screaming? They're the main one screaming. Then. Be the main.
And that is run.
I'm here, but you can't see me.
Unlucky for the thief who broke into the
Yes.
home of a former baseball player.
Mm-mm.
I'm pretty sure we all know how that's going to end.
Where is your pew pew? All you got to do is cock it. You don't have to hurt nobody.
The only one who can stop these daredevils is
Mm.
Oh, please. Take this. You're
Mm.
just.
You know what? I can let's put it on Instagram.
Oh, every part of your body, you have no self respect. Oh, my goodness. None whatsoever.
the
Wow.
Hyundai owner insisted that they parked in the right spot until they saw the warning sign.
Right.
So, who's the embarrassed one now?
She
Oh,
is.
no, I'm sorry. I can't see. I can't see.
I'm sorry.
Hey, don't do that.
Mm-hmm. They gonna learn today. Look at him. He on that shit. Mm. This broccoli and rice is so
I
good.
told you.
Make them clean it up.
Karma is the car's built-in self-defense mechanism. And trust me, that's not the end of the story.
That's golden, boy. That is golden. Here we go. What's his problem? Here they come. He already has a jacked up riff. Where are you going? Look, he's switching. Got a little sweetness to him, baby. Mm-hmm.
when you try to break the ice but end up breaking the glass instead.
Oh,
Mm. Wow.
With acting skills like that,
Right.
he's got real potential to become an actor.
hey.
In prison,
Wow. He took your car.
ouch. It's a shame he couldn't wait a little longer.
Right. They celebrated.
He thought he got away with it, but the camera told the whole story.
Wow.
Not only did the culprit have to pay up, but his truck also got wrecked as a warning.
Wow. That's what you get. That was extreme, though. Is this a thief? Put that package down. Mhm.
Run.
That's what you get.
The most unexpected way to grab attention. And this is exactly what he needs to snap back to reality.
My God.
This guy tried to mess with the worker by taking away the ladder.
Wow.
But Karma wasn't having it.
Dude. Wow.
Instead of talking it out,
Wow.
these bullies chose to use their fists.
Wow.
But someone stronger showed up to put them in their place
I
instantly.
beat them up. Mhm. Bullies. Look at this. Look at this here.
Strength works hard day and night. Weakness, the job he's doing is against the law.
Was he making? He was making a spot, baby. Mm-hmm.
Dude, what are you doing, Sydney? He came at you hard as fuck.
That was
Dude,
fun.
he was like, look at this dude. He's like, I ain't playing around with you. Dude, did you see that?
Right? And did.
I think this guy could use a lesson in manners.
Mm. Mm.
The traffic light changed as fast as the driver's attitude.
You got out trying to fight. Which is a
Hey, don't be foolish enough to test the patience of horned animals. When you
Don't do
think
it,
you're in for
ma'am.
a shopping cart joyride,
Ma'am.
but the universe gives you a front row seat to the floor.
You are right, ma'am. Wow. Right.
Oh! That's not like, there's no. So, you know, these people.
The enraged Toyota driver on the road is about to face instant karma.
You can't go back into the army, even though he's good at it.
Oh my God. You tell your business up.
A little dose of
Oh.
cute karma for the young athlete who ignored the warning.
He didn't deserve it. He didn't deserve it. Get out of there. Hey, Joker.
Now he definitely needs a crash course in elevator repair.
Oh my gosh. What an idiot.
Successful people always find their own path, but not in this case.
Is he stuck?
It's hard to believe someone would dare to do this right in front of the police.
Yes. They always mess up.
A handy tip for lazy workers. Don't be lazy in the first place.
Now you got to go clean all that up. Look at you. He tried. That would have
A
been
true
cute.
racer.
Tao làm cái nữa coi. Đợi nó chua thôi.
Ooh,
But he's still got a lot to learn.
it's all right.
Cho mày.
Is he crying?
You think you're fast until who is this driver trying to impress? The WOW TV viewers or
The jail.
Karma?
We got you.
Traffic lawbreakers don't seem to realize
Gotta
the
wait.
road to jail is shorter than they think.
Right? I can can't bag it up at all. Ooh. Wow.
Odjeżdża mi, kurwa, od tej wódki. No i odjebałeś.
You messed up all that good luck.
When you think your craziness is at its peak,
What is she doing? Lord. She-
but nope, here comes a worthy opponent.
What is she doing? Gyrate, baby?
Hopefully, that lake will help her cool down a bit.
Cause she was gyrating, baby. Whoa.
Chceme ještě něco říct ke společenské situaci, když se nebudu vyjadřit.
Mm.
There
Don't
are
laugh
two
at
cars
me.
in the video.
No.
The
no,
one
no.
parked correctly is the one that stays safe.
My God.
It ain't no cum, boo. Keep spraying it till it dry.
Yeah.
All right, step on it.
Step on it, don't boy.
Never fail, right?
No one can stop an unreasonable Karen who refuses to pay her electric bill and causes a scene.
Puta madre.
But never forget, karma is always out there collecting
Yes, it
those
is.
unpaid bills.
Y'all gonna tell me what y'all recording, bro.
Mistaking a
Recording,
stranger for
homie.
filming him, the young man approached to start trouble.
Back up, man.
Why you recording me, bro?
On trip, back up.
Oh, you said what? I'm from EC1, I know.
Well, now he's become the star of our series.
What you doing? What are you about to do? Really?
His IQ was too low, and his clumsiness was too high to commit a
That's
crime.
your ass. Are you hurt? Are you?
Oh,
Wow. Wow. Oh. Poor man. He's gonna get his. Look at that. Right there. He was right there. Mhm. On your ass.
Pull that finger back right away if you don't want to become a giant bird snack.
First said I'll bite all your shit off. Don't do it.
Good. That ice on it. Let me see. Your clothes wet. Let me see.
Let me see.
Wait for it.
No,
What?
it's not, man. No, man.
Your ass gonna fall. What the?
Laugh at others today, and they'll laugh at you tomorrow.
You got
Has
two
never been
idiots.
more true.
Now you watched him do it. That's good.
This is going to be the clumsiest thief in today's video. Bravo for that spectacular escape attempt.
Wow.
Of course, he couldn't get away.
Wow. Oh, look at you, baby.
Do you like being scared like that?
See? Mhm.
Did you laugh at me?
He planned to straighten someone out.
Oh, he on the ground.
But it turns out he was the one who got a memorable lesson.
Oh, his hand. Mm. Wow.
What's the outcome of always wanting what others have? You'll end up with nothing.
Say that. Wow.
Where's my bag? Where the is my bag?
When her unreasonable refund request was denied, the girl decided to vent her anger this way. But this kind of release only brought her more trouble.
Should we give my money back?
Are you gonna get your money this way?
Okay, I'm gonna come back every single day and fuck up shop every single day.
Come
See
back.
how you like it.
Come back.
See how you like
You
it.
can come back. It's okay.
Put her in. There you go. Lock her ass up.
Hey girl, this isn't a dance floor.
Whoa. She was tipsy. What he have?
Out of all the thieves out there, this one definitely belongs to the clumsiest club.
What is he drunk? What is he doing? Baby,
This
get out
is
of
pure
there.
comedy.
It's crazy, is what it is. Get this man out of here and get him some help.
Well, here he goes.
Every time, he bring him back. Get off of me. It's so cute.
Instead of following the proper lane,
Don't
the
do
impatient driver chose to get stuck here for hours.
Child, look at Ooh, what is that? A big P?
Girl, you really underestimated your weight.
What is that? A jackfruit? Oh no! His phone. Now go in there and get your phone.
Get the away, please.
What'd he do? What'd he do?
What seemed like a quest for justice turned into a one-way ticket to the police station. A plot twist he definitely didn't see coming.
Oh, he's tearing up so many cars. Oh my. Oh my God.
I'll take my leave now. Someone else is having a serious talk with him.
Yep, get him under the jail. What is he doing?
When reminded about equality love, Karen didn't seem too thrilled about it.
He beating him up.
While the car owner was still busy arguing over the first accident, the universe decided to double the challenge for him.
Wow. There's really some asinine people out here. Karma got the baby too. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Yes, there, buddy. Ooh, I know you pissed. It's hot too. There's nothing you can do. It's hot. She cracking up. Probably got 3rd-degree burn.
Instead of facing the problem head on,
the
truck driver chose to run away from responsibility.
Get his life.
It won't be long before the police step in to get to the bottom of this.
Get him. You ran over yours.
A creative invention, but it's not safe enough to be on the road.
Right? That's so weird.
Now, come with us.
Little youngin.
His prank
so
worked,
pretty.
but this isn't quite what I wanted to see.
Dirty, low down self. Yep.
It's time for this girl to realize that her pet is way smarter than she thought.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can't forget that you have to add a little bit of salt in it. And then you have to mix it really. That's what you get.
Gosh, turning on your signal
That
doesn't
was
give you the right to cut lanes.
Oh, she put that raw egg in her mouth.
Hang on a bit. Karma will take care of it soon enough.
Gotcha. There's always somebody.
Move aside. You're bothering us.
Okay. Gotcha. Keep pushing her in the bushes.
Get some salt. It's cold after you put in there, it starts heating up. Ready? Oh yeah, it's starting to heat up. Looks good.
The extreme protesters thought they could control this road, but they couldn't stop even a single car.
With the string, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good morning, meneer. Alles goed? Hey, you can't do that. You can't do it. You can't block me like that.
What are you doing?
What? You can't wait there for a spot. No. I'm going to U-turn. I'm going to teach him a lesson. That's not cool.
Think bending the rules will get you there faster? Oh, not at all.
You can't wait, dude. You can't just have a person wait there like that. AAA to fix your car, huh?
Your tire. 1 hour later.
1 hour later.
We have to find out what's wrong with you. show them the driveway. Yeah, show them. Oh yeah, I forgot the key, dude. Let me know.
Gotcha. That's crazy work.
Why you can't get a girlfriend, kid?
Gotcha. Oh. Now that was good. That was good.
Yeah, those cats aren't easily intimidated.
Ну куда ты, блядь, едешь нахуй?
Even the bicycle decided to teach him a lesson about traffic laws. The thieves thought 4 a.m. was the perfect time to strike.
Wow.
They planned everything, except for the fact that the police have alarm clocks too.
Gotcha. That was fast. Oh, Run it.
I have
Finger
an
still
82-year-old
up.
man in the car. You guys are all spinning and disturbing. Just because it's 4th of July doesn't mean you give it.
If you run into a Karen on the road, the only thing you need to do is ignore her.
I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving.
She'll get herself into trouble all on her own.
On her own, baby.
Yeah, it
was actually.
The fisherman was stunned by the squid's unexpected counterattack.
Корову, блядь, нахуй.
The girl was ready for a fight, but the car just wanted to get away.
Right?
У тебя машина поехала.
You about to hurt somebody. Look at it. Get them. Get them, bite them, sick them. Stupid eggs.
Birthday party pranks never go out of style. And neither does the karma that follows.
Okay.
The police might calmly warn you. But a canine? Not so much. You've got two options. One is to stand still. Two is to... Entering a swan's territory without permission?
Right.
Don't feed the animals at the zoo.
Ooh.
For your own safety.
That was crazy. How you fall? I know that screen not gonna work.
I'm pretty sure this is the worst day ever for both the customer and the chef.
Guys, my name's Liam. I want to jump to the middle. But let's hope I make it.
With your phone, baby?
Dumb ways to fly. So many dumb ways to fly.
Wow. Wow. That's...
Rafael.
We see. Always.
The road
Always
looks empty, so no one will notice this car going the wrong way.
That's crazy.
Are you sure?
Gece sinsi bir duman. Gececi sinsi bir duman. Aí sim, motora. Bebê! Aí sim, motora. Vai atravessar por lá, não? Vai.
Oh, get out of there. That's crazy. He's seen the
The boss
videos. He
didn't
know
want his
that's what
shoes to get wet
that's what's gonna happen. Come
and
on
ended
now.
up soaking himself instead. Double kill. Wow, a true master of destruction.
Yeah.
When a romantic scene turns into a full-blown
Girl.
comedy.
Taking a picture. What happened? Look.
Florida never disappoints. When a thief walks straight into a trap, just to wait for the police to catch him.
Wow.
Only in date. Only in date. That's
Wow.
for sure, bro.
People got a lot of audacity and nerve.
The counter and slapped her in the face and knocked her glasses off, knocked her cell phone out. There was Coke, drinks all over.
These are the most expensive lessons we've rounded up for you.
We thank you.
If you've enjoyed them, don't forget to like and follow the channel so you won't miss the next moments.
Wow. Well, there you have it. A compilation of the dumbest, the most ratchiest people and Karens that you ever want to meet. I want to thank you so much for sharing this time with me. I hope that you come back for another video. And until then, I love you and I hope that you love me back. Peace.